Spring is here and it's time to make the switch. At Downtown Toyota, we're now booking appointments for your tire swap. Swapping out your winter tires for summer or all-season tires is essential for safety, performance, fuel efficiency, and extending the life of your tires. Engineered with a unique rubber compound that enhances flexibility and improves traction in freezing temperatures, winter tires are ideal for Canadian winters. However, this specialized compound wears out much faster in warmer weather, compromising the tire's ability to grip the road sufficiently. Additionally, while the deep treads and wide grooves are perfect for gripping snowy and icy roads, they also create more rolling resistance, which can noticeably lower your fuel efficiency. Come on down and get your vehicle ready for the road ahead. Schedule your tire swap today by calling 416-465-5471 or visit downtowntoyota.ca.